Hello students, following question is a 2-mark question from topic of plastic analysis of steel structures, and this is one of the frequently asked question from GATE point of view, where it is asked that what is the load P required to form a mechanism if plastic moment capacity of beam AB is given as m naught. Now here a concentrated load is acting at mid span, as a result of which when plastic hinge forms at point, they say this is point AB. Let's go with the original convention, it is B. Let us say this is point C. So the possibility of formation of plastic hinge is under action of concentrated load. So when plastic hinge will form, this portion CB and AC, they will behave like rigid members and they will not undergo elastic deformation, because plastic hinge formation marks the end of elastic region, if you remember from stress strain diagram. Now this angle is theta. Since L by 2 is same, that is point P is this load is acting at the midpoint of beam AB. So theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta. Now for very small deformation theta, this length x or deformation directly under load P will be given by L by 2 into theta. So external work done is given by force acting multiplied by displacement. So external work is P into x, where x is L by 2 into theta, and internal work is done by this moment which is acting here, m naught into theta. But this is a pin joint, so no movement will be generated at pin joint, so this part will not be contributing towards any internal work. The internal work contribution will be because of rotation at C and rotation at B. Since B is also a fixed end, it will be generating some fixed end movements, and at ultimate collapse load, that is when mechanism is getting formed, it will reach its plastic moment capacity, that is moment will reach its plastic moment capacity, that is m naught. So internal work done is m naught into theta plus m naught into 2 theta, which comes out as 3 m naught theta. Now by the principle of virtual work, total external work has to be equal to internal work, that is P into L by 2 into theta equal to 3 m theta, from where P comes out as 6 m naught by L, making B as the correct choice for question number 31. Thank you.